got a bit of an unboxing on my iPhone 4. This package you see is Australian Air Express. It's a courier who delivered it. Just going to, smells like a decent scissors to get into this pack. I'll be editing this, so you might hear me talking sometimes, but other times not as much. Using actually a pair of nail scissors just to get it started. Looks like it's open. Okay, I'm not going to show the other side because it's got my important information applicable to the Apple 1-year warranty. Wow. So that's about my warranty. And okay, item description. 32 gig white 4G Apple iPhone 5 handset. Okay, it's got my plan details. Nano SIM, it says 128K. Wow, interesting. Okay. What other information has it got? I'll take it out so you can have a look at it. Wow. And a little envelope with my Nano SIM. I can't, this doesn't show. Yeah, I don't want to show this just in case it's got some specific number on it, but yeah, got a little card with my Nano SIM on, and nothing else in the packet there. Okay, might stop this and restart it. Start it again. Okay. Wow. This is a beautiful phone. Absolutely beautiful looking phone. Looks, can't say how much I think it looks great. And as phones should, they're getting thinner and smaller in a sense. I mean, the screen's an extra half an inch bigger, which is great, but it's really thin. Feels great. I mean, I'm not going to want to put a case on it, but I will. I'd love to get a life-proof case. Hopefully they make that soon and I can get one of those, because then it's fully protected. Okay, might just stop the video now and find out, have a read on what I have to do to get the phone activated with regards to the SIM, etc. Talk to you soon. Okay, got the new iPhone turned on, and we'll give it a go. Wow, no SIM card installed. Insert SIM. Okay, alrighty. Let's have a look. Alright, we'll give that a crack and I'll get back to you.